What's up, guys? How are you? Welcome back in health and wellness. Do you suffer from bad breath or halitosis? You are not only it's a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. That can be embarrassing and unpleasant for both you and those around you. If you're tired of covering up your bad breath with mints and gum, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will show you how to fix bad breath permanently and naturally, using effective home remedies and proven dental solutions. Before we jump into the solutions, we understand the causes of bad breath. It's important to understand the root causes of bad breath. There are several factors that can contribute to bad breath, including poor oral hygiene, dry mouth, gum disease, certain foods, and underlying health conditions. To combat bad breath, it's important to maintain good oral hygiene habits like brushing and flossing regularly, stay hydrated, and avoid foods that can contribute to bad breath, such as garlic and onions. If you have dry mouth, try sipping water throughout the day and chewing sugar-free gum to increase saliva production. Natural remedies for bad breath. Now let's explore some natural remedies that can help freshen your breath and combat bad breath at its source. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help reduce bad breath. Fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery can help scrape away bacteria and freshen your breath. Essential oils like peppermint and tea tree oil have antimicrobial properties that can help kill bacteria in your mouth. Long-term solutions for bad breath. If you're looking for a more long-term solution for bad breath, there are several steps you can take to improve your oral health and prevent bad breath from returning. Flossing and using mouthwash can help remove bacteria from hard-to-reach areas in your mouth. Visiting the dentist for regular checkups and cleanings can also help prevent and treat underlying dental issues that can contribute to bad breath. By following these tips and natural remedies, you can fix bad breath permanently and enjoy fresh breath naturally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on health and wellness.